Hey guys, good morning or good afternoon. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. I am bringing you in quickly, be ready to put these in my Ninja Foodi, and I wanted to show you what I'm using. So I use one of these packets, some butter, good quality butter, and I used it has to be room temperature. Also added a little bit of ground garlic, and I created a paste, as you see here, and then I went ahead and put it on my corn. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them, roll them up in the foil, and then so this is what's up. So one of these, it may be a quarter cup of room temperature butter. I would go with a good quality butter. Don't skimp on that. And then some garlic. You can leave this out if you don't like this. Okay guys, so I preheated my Ninja and I have it on grill on low, and I just place my the corn inside, and it's gonna be 10 minutes, but halfway through I'm gonna look and see what it looks like. All right guys, so I must confess I got busy doing something and forgot to come and check these halfway through. So we're gonna check them now, okay? Okay, so this is what we're looking at. It looks pretty good, but I think it's still pretty hard. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes before I get them out of the foil. But let me put them back in there because they're not to the doneness that I would like. Okay guys, so I took them out of the foil. As you can see, they're looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna do the last 3 minutes. And I'm going to do it on higher. I'm going to go here at 350. And I'm going to bring this down. And then we'll check them. So far, it's taken probably about 25 minutes. You guys, these guys turned out amazing. I urge you to give it a try. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Have a blessed day.